This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Next, measure out 1 cup of your favorite milk, whether it's dairy or a plant-based alternative. Finally, grab 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract to enhance the flavor. Now let's combine everything. In a small saucepan, whisk together the cocoa powder and sugar until they are well mixed. This helps prevent lumps. Slowly pour in the 1 cup of milk, continuing to whisk until the mixture is smooth and uniform. Place the saucepan over medium-low heat, stirring frequently to ensure even heating. Continue heating your hot chocolate until it's hot and steamy, but be careful not to let it boil. Boiling can scorch the milk and alter the taste. Once it reaches the desired temperature, remove it from the heat and stir in the 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This adds a lovely aromatic finish. Pour your delicious hot chocolate into a mug and savor every warm sip. Want to make your hot chocolate even more special? Feel free to add your favorite toppings, like a dollop of whipped cream, fluffy marshmallows, or a sprinkle of chocolate shavings. For an extra kick, try a pinch of cinnamon or even a tiny dash of chili powder for a Mexican hot chocolate twist. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly customized, easy-to-make hot chocolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.